I'm here with my lovely patient. This gentleman has been struggling with gynecomastia a whole lifetime. And he has also been struggling with his weight, and he's finally ready to do something about this. Our surgical plan initially is to get rid of the gynecomastia. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a comprehensive liposuction of all this area, extending all the way to the back. This is roughly around a liter of fluid and fat and extraction of tissue that we have to do on each side. So what we're going to do is we have infused the chest already with tumescent. Tumescent is the solution that allows us to extract the fat without significant bleeding, with minimal any bleeding. The second instrument we're going to use is Vaser. Vaser is a great instrument because it melts the fat away and it allows us to extract the fat non-invasively without ripping it out by suction. All right, I just want to quickly compare the two sides. So we have liposuction the left side of the chest, and there was minimal amount of gland. It was majority of it was fat, and we're able to get everything down, and there is really no gland over here, as you can see. And we have liposuction this part, and that gave us almost 1,300 cc's of aspirate out. And now compared to this, and you can see what a huge difference it makes. We can't do anything with the excess skin, but some of the skin will retract and make this more normal looking and more aesthetically pleasing. All right, so we're done with the first part of the operation, which was liposuctioning of the lateral chest, lower chest, removing the gyno. The gyno was basically removed all through liposuction because it was just fatty gyno, and that's called pseudogyno. And now you can see this side is all flat and this side is also flat, but we have added fat in this area to give it more projection. And you can see the difference between this side of the chest, which has got nice projection, versus this side of the chest where it's flat. Right, we're done with the case. We have done liposuction on this lovely gentleman that was 40 years old with pseudogynecomastia. And we have done liposuction of the sides, the chest, got rid of the man boobs, and really contoured the side, his love handles, and then fat grafted the upper chest to improve the projection of the upper chest, make it more masculine. Instead of it being heavy in this area, we've added a little bit of fat in this area to improve the contour. And now you can see a much more harmonious chest and abdomen and waist area. Thank you for joining us.